Primate stars. The wonderful world of monkeys, as the first rays of morning sunlight pierce through the dense canopy. A group of furry figures begin to stir in the treetops. They use their nimble fingers to groom each other's fur, occasionally emitting clear calls or playfully snatching fruits from their companions. These are the primates we know so well, monkeys, creatures that embody intelligence, emotion, and mischief all at once. Flexible, physical structure. The bodies of monkeys are a masterpiece of natural design. Their spines are exceptionally flexible, composed of over 200 vertebrae, compared to just 33 in humans, allowing them to perform various acrobatic feats among the branches. Observing a monkey moving through the treetops, you'll notice that each joint seems like a precision-engineered component. Shoulder joints can rotate a full 360 degrees. Hip joints have an astonishing range of motion, and their tails are as flexible and strong as a fifth limb. In some species, the tails are so strong that they can support twice the monkey's body weight. These tails can be used not only for hanging but also for grasping food like a hand. Their fingertips are covered with unique ridges that not only increase friction, but also grant them an exceptionally keen sense of touch, allowing them to perceive even the most subtle changes in texture. This tactile sensitivity even surpasses that of human fingers. Amazing intelligence. The intelligence of monkeys often leaves people in awe. Research indicates that certain species of monkeys can grasp basic mathematical operations and distinguish between different quantities of items. In experiments, they have successfully learned to use tokens to purchase food and even understand fundamental concepts of addition and subtraction. This numerical cognition is rare in the animal kingdom. Even more surprising is their ability to use tools. Wild monkeys use stones to crack nuts, small twigs to extract insects from tree hollows, and even leaves as sponges to absorb water from crevices. Some groups even use specific leaves as natural medicine to expel parasites or treat wounds. This culturally transmitted behavior is a capability shared by only a few species in the animal world. Complex emotional world. The emotional richness of monkeys is beyond imagination. They exhibit behaviors akin to mourning when a companion passes away quietly, staying by the body, gently touching it, and sometimes refusing to leave for days. The care that mother monkeys show their offspring within the group is particularly touching. They spend considerable time grooming their young, patiently teaching them survival skills, and will even risk their own safety to protect them from danger. Monkeys within a social group have a complex network of interpersonal relationships. They hold grudges and show gratitude, form alliances, and play tricks, comfort injured companions, and sometimes cause trouble out of jealousy. This rich array of emotional expressions makes their social life full of dramatic interactions. Observing a mature monkey troop is like watching an exciting soap opera, filled with love, hate, and intrigue. Unique communication system. The language system of monkeys is far more complex than we might imagine. They can produce over 30 different calls, each conveying specific information from sharp alarms, warning of danger, to excited calls when food is found, and gentle coos during courtship. What's even more fascinating is that these calls can be combined into simple sentences to convey more complex information. In addition to vocal communication, monkeys are skilled at using body language. A raised eyebrow may indicate a question, slight lip tremors can signal submission, and specific tail movements might be a sign of provocation. They even use hugs to express comfort and pats to show friendliness, which bear a striking resemblance to human nonverbal communication. Interesting dietary habits. The diet of monkeys is incredibly diverse, from leaves and fruits to insects, bird eggs, and even small vertebrates. Their menu covers almost all edible resources in the forest. Some species adjust their diet according to the seasons, consuming protein-rich insects during the rainy season and water-rich plants during the dry season. What's most remarkable is their food preparation skills. Some monkeys will deliberately take their food to specific water sources to wash it. Others will smash hard fruits on rocks to crack them open, and some will patiently wait for certain toxic fruits to ferment naturally to remove toxins before eating them. This careful handling of food shows their particularity about diet. Unique sleeping habits. Monkeys' sleeping habits are equally intelligent. They carefully select canopy locations far from the ground as their sleeping spots, sometimes even lining their beds with insect-repellent leaves. When sleeping in groups, adult monkeys naturally form a circle around the young, protecting them in the center, demonstrating a high level of safety awareness. Some arboreal species of monkeys have even mastered the skill of unihemispheric Sleep, keeping one half of their brain awake to stay alert for danger, while the other half enters deep sleep. This ability allows them to sleep soundly in a dangerous environment while remaining vigilant. Impressive learning ability. Monkeys are among the best learners in the animal kingdom. Young monkeys learn survival skills through years of observing and imitating their elders. In captivity, they can master the use of simple tools, solve multi-step feeding puzzles, and even learn symbolic languages to communicate with humans. Most impressively, they possess strong observational learning abilities. When one monkey discovers a new feeding method, the entire group can quickly adopt the technique through observation. This cultural transmission is rare in nature and a key indicator of their intelligence. Unique self-awareness. Mere tests show that certain higher monkeys have a basic sense of self-awareness. They recognize themselves in mirrors, use them to inspect body parts they can't normally see, and even make various facial expressions for self-study. This self-recognition is one of the key indicators of animal intelligence. In more complex experiments, monkeys have demonstrated the ability to plan for the future. They store tools for later use, prepare for tomorrow's food collection, and can weigh the choice between immediate rewards and delayed gratification. This forward thinking showcases the depth of their cognitive abilities. Relationship with humans. As our close relatives, monkeys have always inspired curiosity and reflection. They act like mirrors, showing us fragments of our own evolutionary past, and like parallel world versions of ourselves, showcasing an alternative path of intelligent development. In scientific research, monkeys help us understand fundamental questions about brain function, language origins, and social behavior. In culture, they symbolize both mischief and wisdom. In ecosystems, they are vital seed dispersers, maintaining forest health and diversity.